Okay, so this is Mikey. He's another boy. He's a little smaller than, say, Max, but he is also just very calm, laid back. And who knows, he could end up, when he's grown up, being the biggest one at all. You never know. But he's very cute. He has 2 black ears, and the ears have a little bit of like a mix of white and black on them. And they're both the same. But he's just a very good boy. Just very laid back. Very calm. And he's a sweetheart. So. Again, just a very sweet boy. He's going to be a great dog. What do you think about that? What do you think? All right, honey. You say goodbye. Say goodbye.